I am Karthik.
I am Jeevan and I am Chetan.
We are from grade 6 Tungaru. Today's word is jittery. The last word is Jittery. Jittery. Meaning of the word is feeling nervous. Action of the word is Chetan feeling nervous to get exam. Friends, please repeat after me. Spell of the word is Jittery. Meaning of the word is feeling nervous. Thank you. God bless. Have a bright day. Until next in campus word.